Hi. Today, I'm not here to impress or motivate you. I'm not here to entertain or comfort you, but to reveal a powerful verse that builds empire and can rebuild your life. It's a blueprint that has been in front of us for ages, but ignored by most because most people want magic, but few want truth. There's a verse in the Bible so exact, so eternal, so unshakable that if you understand it, truly believe it, and live by it, your future will rise from ashes. Your mind would be renewed and your heart will be free from every lie that held you down. The world never hid it from you. They just prayed you never believe it because once you do, you can't be controlled. This is not magic, it's truth, and the truth works every time. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. Proverbs 23:7. This is not poetry. This is law. It's been proven for thousands of years. And those who understand it, believe it, and act on it, they rise. See, you may be broke today, but if your heart holds prosperity, you are already rich. You may have failed many times, but if your heart holds victory, you are already rising. Remember Abraham Lincoln, Carnegie, or even look at Mahatma Gandhi. No army, no riches, just a mountain of belief. And he became powerful in thought first, and the world caught up. Say this with me with authority. Truth is unshakable. I stand on it. My future is secured by divine order. See, you don't need luck. You need alignment. You don't need to be chosen. You need to choose yourself. And it all starts here in your heart. Not tomorrow, not when the time is right, but now. Because every day you delay, you let the lies win. So, choose your thought, choose your alignment, choose your future. And if you agree to this truth, don't just feel it, you declare it, you live it, and you share it with others. Because the moment you believe it, the world has to make room for the person you became. Thank you and see you soon. Bye now.